It's July 24, 2021. I'm Todd Dunn. Today I'm on the foredeck of my 1936 wooden powerboat Tortuga to do a little boat maintenance. And what I'm going to do is recaulk this window. And that involves removing strips of wood around the edge, which are retaining strips, and putting new caulking compound in and replacing them. And they are held in with 1-inch stainless steel brads. So basically getting them out simply consists of driving a chisel of some sort. I'm going to use a sharpened putty knife into each of the gaps between the frame and the little strip and gradually working them out. And the only trick is, if there is still good caulk in there, I have to cut through it, and I want to not break any of those little strips of wood. So time to get going. As you can see, this is sped way up. I don't know what my camera did, but it didn't record sound. Anyway, what I'm doing is simply using a very sharp scraper and hammering it in between the strip of wood and the frame, and then gradually prying each of the strips off. I'm only going to do the two verticals on the sides and the bottom because there's no sign that the top one had been leaking. And they all came out very easily, indicating that the caulk had failed in all three of them. And once I get them out, I'll scrape them off and clean up the edges of the frame, and we will then put new caulking compound in and reinstall these little strips of mahogany with new stainless steel brads. Okay, here I've cleaned everything up. I've taped around the edges so that any squeeze out of the caulking compound won't just get on my cabin front. And I'm starting to apply new caulking compound starting on the bottom. And I just fill the area up. This is polysulfide caulking compound. And once I get the compound in, I put the wooden strip in, press it in firmly, and then tap the brads back in. And to avoid damaging the glass, I make sure that the hammer is actually touching the glass, and I just move it up and down while in contact with the glass. And then I switch over and do the two verticals. And the final step is to clean up the squeeze out just by going over it quickly with the putty knife. There wasn't a lot, so I got just about the right amount of compound, and then to pull the tape, and the job was done. Well, I don't know what happened to my camera. For some reason it recorded everything in very fast mode. And anyway, that you at least saw the project. Basically, remove the little strips by prying them off, clean them up, put new caulking compound in, reinstall the strips, and secure them with little brad nails. And hopefully this will stop a persistent leak that I've had in this area for quite a long time. And we'll just have to wait until it rains the next time to find out. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this little project, please give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more exciting content like this, hopefully without camera glitches.